Welcome to my channel, guys. It is raining in Jamaica. I am cooking some curry chicken. So I'm going to show you how I start to season my chicken by adding a little bit of curry to the chicken, because when I start to cook it, I burn the curry, so I'm adding a little bit of curry to it. And then I add my black pepper, which you don't have to add plenty, just a little amount. That's how you like it. And I'm adding my onion powder, dry seasoning. I'm adding my onion powder, yeah, and adding some jerk seasoning. So I'm not going to add any salt at this time, but when you are cooking, then you can add a little salt. So I'm going to add my onion and my garlic and scallion and thyme. Yes, so I add everything to it now. So I put pepper already, scotch bonnet pepper, I put that already. So I'm going to rub it. My hand already washed, so I'm going to rub it up now. Okay, I'm rubbing the seasoning into the chicken, that it have a good flavor. And when you start to cook it now, you can taste it. Guys, I'm adding some more curry to the chicken. You want a little more curry, so I'm adding it. Okay, that is it. So I'm going to just rub it in now. And it will have a nice look. So I'm just rub it in. Yes. Okay. So that is it now, guys. When I'm finished, I will show you how it looks. Okay.